Let's talk today about il nome, the noun. In Italian, we have two genders, masculine and feminine. The neuter gender doesn't exist in Italian. What does it mean? That means that all nouns in Italian must be masculine or feminine. It's easy for you to understand that uomo equal man is masculine. Yes, even in English. Or donna, woman, is feminine. Same thing for ragazzo, boy, masculine. Ragazza, girl, feminine. But what about words, for example, like libro or penna? I'm telling you that libro, that means book, in Italian is masculine. And penna, that means pen, in Italian is feminine. Why? There's no reason. It's just by conventions. So all nouns in Italian can be masculine or feminine. There's not another option. And it's extremely important to remember this because you will need to remember when you will make the agreement with the adjective, with the article, but you will see this later. Okay, so how we can decide in Italian if a noun is masculine or if a noun is feminine. As I said, it's easy for you to understand if we talk about like a human beings. Oh, no, because like uomo, man, is definitely masculine, or ragazzo, boy, is definitely masculine. But what about the other nouns? So I'm gonna give you a general rule here, but there are also exceptions. But let's start with the general rules. Usually, the vowel at the end of the word, at the end of the noun, tells you the gender. So, for example, I was talking about uomo, masculine, ragazzo, masculine, libro, masculine. What do you notice here? All of them end with o. All of them end with o. Okay, so almost 95% of the Italian words ending in o are masculine. Okay? Now, I said before donna, woman. I said ragazza, girl. And then I said penna, pen. What do you notice here? All of them end in a, Italian a, and are feminine. So this is a general rule. Like the 95% of Italian words ending, Italian nouns ending in a are feminine. But then we have another vowel. Let's talk, for example, about studente. So I give you another one. Cantante. I give you some more. Dente. Notte. Okay. All of them end in e. Italian e. English e. And they can be masculine or feminine. There is, yes, masculine or feminine. There is like a way to know, to recognize if they're masculine or feminine. Actually, there's not. You must remember them, but not completely. So, for example, let's say like a word like attore. Okay, attore means actor. Okay, And this is an Italian word ending in E, but masculine. Because yes, it's true that ends in E, but it also true that ends in ore. So this is a rule. All the noun ending in ore are masculine. So words like attore, professore, yes, fiore are masculine. So the general rule again, remember, is like when a noun ends in e can be masculine or feminine. But if that noun ends in ore, is masculine. Okay, let's see another case. Let's talk about a word like padrone, owner. So yes, it's true that padrone ends in e, but also ends in one. Okay, so words like padrone, since they will end in one, so like padrone, campione, champion, milione, million, you see they all end in one. The result is they are masculine. Now let's see another case. Let's see a word like attrice. Attrice is the feminine of attore, actor, so is actress. And in trice, as other words like istruttrice. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's coming bold. Okay, istruttrice and so on. Since they end in trice, they are feminine. Okay, and let's see the last case. Words like stazione or occasione or regione, so station, occasion, and region, they end in z, s, or g plus, sorry, I have to change here the keyboard, okay, plus ione, you see, sione, sione, and gione, they are feminine. Okay, so let's just review this. So when we talk about the noun, remember that Italian nouns are masculine or feminine. All of them, even objects, they can be masculine or feminine. Now, usually nouns ending in o are masculine. Usually nouns ending in a are feminine. And usually nouns ending in a can be masculine or feminine. By conventions, there is any way that we can determine the gender of nouns ending in a? Yes and no. For the majority of them, no. But in some case, we can recognize the gender if the noun ends in ore, like attore, professore, fiore, is masculine. If the nouns ending in ore, as padrone, campione, milione, is masculine. If the nouns ending in trice, that is in this case the feminine, in some case, not always, but in some case can be the feminine of ore, the case, for example, attore and attrice, but not always, you will see. So if it ends in trice, is for sure feminine. And if it ends in sione, like stazione, sione, like occasione, and gione, like regione, is feminine. Okay, I hope it was clear.